Still looking nice out tonight with that pretty sunset behind me, but cooling down, 61 degrees right now. Actually a lot warmer than what we were seeing this time yesterday, and that's only going to increase for us tomorrow. We did see those high thin clouds hanging out across Bakersfield, and we will be seeing that again tomorrow. Also those dry conditions continuing for us early this week. So 14% humidity in Mojave, 19 down in Fraser Park, and 20 into Hatchpee for us. Air quality though worsening just a little bit for us tomorrow, staying in that moderate range, but an AQI of 83. Now there is still no burning unless with the registered device, but we are looking at some relief for that air quality as we looking forward to Wednesday. So we do have a cold front that's making its way to Bakersfield. Now while it is short-lived, it is going to be bringing us some cloudy conditions, cooler temperatures, and just the tiniest chance of rain. The best chance of rain is actually going to be down in Fraser Park on Wednesday afternoon, but we're looking at some windy conditions. So 34-mile-per-hour winds into Hatchpee at around 3 o'clock on Wednesday. We're looking at up to 40 in the desert, and that continues for us even though we are clearing out those skies later for your Wednesday. But yeah, up to 41-mile-per-hour winds into Hatchpee, 34 down in Fraser Park. But those are calming for us as we head into your Thursday morning. So we're looking at the warmest day of the week tomorrow, but then dropping down to 55 degrees on Thursday after that cold front. Then back to those 60s for the weekend before Christmas, and then up to 62 on Christmas Day. So it is actually going to be pretty nice for next weekend as we look ahead. But those breezy conditions in the Kern River Valley dropping us down to 52 degrees on Thursday. To Hatchpee, we're looking at down to 42 and lows into those 20s. So we're also looking at a hard freeze warning as we move into your Wednesday night and into your Thursday. And those windy conditions continue in Fraser Park, dropping us down to 42 degrees. But I mean, at least we're seeing some relief for this air quality as we head into later this week, but those dry conditions continuing for us tomorrow.
Right, and we take that just teensy tiny bit of rain,
I know, yeah. Oh, anything.
Yes.
Christmas miracle.
Yes, absolutely. All right.